Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia, and today we have UU164. What this is a 2008 BMW 328i series. Not an XI, just an I, so it's rear-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive. What it has in it is a 3.0 liter engine, automatic trans, and it's got 154,521 miles on it. It came to us saying that it has undercarriage damage and engine damage. We can't get it started. It doesn't even sound like it's really commanding the starter at all to start. So we're going to look a little bit further into this thing, just because if we can get it started, as you can see, I mean, it's got a little bit of damage on the bumper down there. But other than that, the entire body is just beautiful. So go ahead, we'll walk around the car real quick. I should have went the other way, but I already started this motion. I mean, it's not even like there's a bunch of hail damage or anything else on it. For the mileage on there, whoever owned this particular BMW took very good care of it. And like I said, it's a very good looking car. So we're going to probably get it up on the rack, look a little bit deeper into what the engine damage actually is, and go from there. If we do find out that it's not too hateful and it's just a starter, then we're probably going to fix it up, or if we decide to part it out, I will go ahead and do another video with the engine running and trans being tested and all that good stuff. So we'll start with our mileage here. We got 154,521, and then we'll shut the door and use these windows here. It's just too darn hot to have it not down. So we'll go ahead, we'll put the window down. We'll come on up. And again, I'm just going to leave this thing down. We'll go ahead to the passenger side. Very comfortable seats here. Come over here. Looks like all that works just fine. We got our door mirrors here. Let's see. Oh man. All right, so that one, the auto dim is broken on it, as you guys can see. I just now noticed that. That is their auto tilt feature. This is going to be changing the direction of it. One thing I need to see is if they auto tilt. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get that feature without the engine starting. So there I am in reverse. It doesn't seem like they have an automatic tilt down, but they are motorized to flip it, which is great to know. Now, as far as the radio is concerned, it's very, very dim on it, so I'm not going to inventory this radio. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is nothing to the display here. So, like I said, I'm not going to go ahead and really mess with that. Heater AC control is nice and bright, though, and everything seems to work really well with that. Start off with an automatic feature, and then we're going to turn that down, and we're going to just start switching doors. Heated seats. So all that works just fine. We'll go ahead and show you the power on the seat real quick. Going on up, coming on back. Tilts up, tilts down, does it all. I got these buttons that are pretty cool too. These are your little memory buttons. So all that seems to work just fine too. So everything looks really good with this vehicle. We'll go ahead and test out this sunroof real quick. Sorry if I blinded you with that sun. Go to a tilt real quick. So it looks like all that works and works really well. All right, cool. Well, it looks like we got everything going on. Again, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. And this is my UU164. This will be the 2008 BMW 328i. You guys have any questions, comments, please call Lews Auto. Again, we have 154,521 on the mileage. Thank you guys, and God bless.